Njerëzit po çmenden online për këtë. Një YouTuber publikoi video investiguese për një skandal miliardash në sistemin e çerdheve në Minnesota. Videoja është bërë virale sot dhe ka shkaktuar debat të fortë në media sociale. Shumë e lavdrojnë, por edhe kritik thonë se është e diskutueshme.
Where are the kids? I've been here since 2017. I haven't seen anybody like
Never
that
seen
here.
a child here.
No, not at all.
And how does that make you feel knowing that this place is receiving
Disgusting.
$1.9 million?
It's disgusting. I mean, what the hell? They stealing the money. That's a federal grant too. That's, if they get caught for that, it's a federal offense.
And do you think Tim Walz should go to jail for all the fraud that he's enabled here in his state?
That's him doing this? Well, heck yeah.
They even spelled learning wrong on their sign for a place that's supposed to be educating children.